Will AI replace human? It's a question I hear all the time. But let me flip it on you. Did electricity replace human? Of course not. So maybe we're asking the wrong question. Look, electricity didn't replace human, it replaced steam. But here is the catch. If a coachman couldn't figure out how to drive a car, he was replaced. Not by electricity, but by someone who could. Same goes for AI. AI isn't here to replace human, but people who don't learn how to use AI, they're gonna be replaced by those who can. Here are what you need to understand. AI is a tool or partner. It's not magic. It's gonna automate the boring stuff, the repetitive, tactical stuff. It free you up to focus on strategy, creativity, and real decision making. In the end, it's a win-win situation. Lower cost, fewer human error, more time for the work that actually moves the needle. But you need to keep learning, keep update skills, and keep evolve with AI together. Drop a comment below. How are you using AI in your work? Hit the like if this got you thinking differently. Subscribe for more real talk about where AI is taking us and how to stay ahead. Which problem machine learning or AI should solve and which one not? Do not throw any problem to machine learning or AI and expect it to solve it for yourself without any effort. Let's be real. Machine learning is basically an superpower calculator for now. It's not gonna solve the problem for you. It's gonna give you the data or insights. It's up to you to make decision, take action, and interpret the information in your context. Machine learning trained to minimize average loss across all the prediction normally based on available data. Make them towards average or most common scenario based on the training data. When you lean on machine learning prediction, you are betting on three biggest assumptions. First, the past will repeat itself. Second, what works for example or training data will work for everyone. The population will say the object you will make the prediction on. Third, you want to proxy the most common pattern, not identify the edge case or unicorns. But here is the thing. This assumption don't always hold up. The limitations. Here's what most people miss. Limitation 1. Machine learning struggle to predict change. It can't handle the wild card. Those outliers and events that never shown up in your data will never be predicted in your prediction. Limitation 2. Data bias. If your model trained on US customer, don't expect it to nail the prediction in France or Asia. Subtle difference can totally throw off your result. Limitation 3. Solution will not be special or say exceptional. It will always show you the most common pattern based on the setting. If you train a model to be an average predictor of word, what makes you think that average word predictor will be a good writer? At best, it will be just average. So here is the bottom line. AI isn't about replace human, it's about giving you a leverage if you use it right. I've always believe AI should help humans make better decisions, not take them out of the loop. AI is about support, not sideline human judgment. AI helps to surface insights, to stimulate possibilities, to help us make a better, more human decision. The real advantage? It's not in tech itself. It is in you. How you use it to create, to innovate, and to lead. My name is Celine Xu. With 11 plus years work experience in data science and AI, one of my missions is help people understand the advantages and the limitations of AI and ML, and able to leverage them for better decisions and great impact. Drop a comment below. How are you using AI in your work? Hit the like button if you feel like inspired. Subscribe for more real talk about where AI is taking us and how to stay ahead.